In this video of Tableau do-it-yourself tutorial, we're going to talk about table calculations today. Table calculations in Tableau. So we are going to use the small subset of data file which we have been using since DIY 26, and then create a new sheet DIY with 28, drag and drop country field on column shelf, and drag and drop claim amount field on row shelf. So country field on the columns and claim amount on the rows. Next, select the type of measure aggregation as sum. So by default it's sum, we don't have to do anything. Again, drop the claim amount fields on the rows shelf and create a table calculation for running total. So I'll show you. Drag and drop the claim amount again on the rows shelf. You can see both the claim amounts here. On the second one, click on this arrow and click on add table calculation. So in this table calculation, select running total, summarizing values using sum, and running along across. So you are running across. To be safe, we can select country, which is across country, say apply. Okay, you can see that it's running total. Please notice that the axes are not same. It's 200, 400, 600, it's 500,000, right? So here you have 300, which is 300. This is 600. So 600 plus 300 is 900. And then all the three total together is this. Now we can make it as dual axis. So click on the second sum amount and click on dual axis, and on the left hand side marks, select the first claim amount and change it to bar so that it appears as bar, and the table calculation claim amount, change it to line. Please again notice that on the left hand side you have claim amount, on the right hand side you have sum of claim amount, running total, but the axes are not synced up. In order to sync up the axis, right click and say Synchronize Axis. There you go. So these axes are now on the same level, and it makes sense. It starts with 300, it goes here, and finally to 500. I can change the layout here to be area, and there you go. So this shows the running total versus your sum of claim amount. So convert to dual and then synchronize axis, which we have done. Drop the claim amount again on the row shelf, and this time create a moving average. So claim amount on the row shelf, and table calculation, I'm gonna use table calculation, and I'm gonna use average, moving average. Here you would say average, in the across you would say country, and you can use previous two values, and that's fine. You can include the current values and click on apply. Okay, and you can convert this, the third one, into a line. It makes more sense to combine these two axes and leave it alone. So it won't give you option of dual axis because there is already a dual axis here and it's an odd number. So I'm gonna remove the dual axis from the previous one. You can see there are three axes, and then I'm gonna add the dual axis from the third one. There you go. So this shows the moving average, this is running sum, and this is your sum. That's how you do the table calculations. Please remember that the table calculations are the last type of calculations which are compiled or executed or resolved, parsed by Tableau compiler. This is at the very end. Alright, so we will do the following hands-on exercises. Do the table calculations using paid amount, and do the same running total moving average. I encourage you to do some different kind of calculations too in order to get more comfortable with table calculations. Thank you for watching.